In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to draw a basic snowman. What I'd like to do now is just show you how you can improve. So previous one would have been level 3. So your success criteria is here. So to move on to level 4, I can use my success criteria here. I can use the line and circle tool. I can apply color, and my snowman looks something like my waggle. Waggle stands for what a good one looks like. Mr. Gilbert loves to provide waggles in his lessons, so I'm clearly doing this for him. Now, moving on, we've got our snowman here, so what I'd like to do is start applying color. Now, before we start doing that, I'm going to zoom into this bottom corner here and just show you a little issue that you may encounter when you apply color. So, I'm just going to draw a series of connected lines, choosing the second line tool on my line. Now, if I add color onto this, I can clearly see that first one I've drawn here has a gap. If I draw a rectangle here, there are no gaps. All the lines are drawn. So if I go to add color, now the best way to add color when you use Studio Design is use bound fill. Okay, so you're coloring in an area, a closed area. So I'm going to click on bound fill. Now you've got different options. You don't want to change the color of your line. You want to fill that section here with color. So what I want to do, I can change, I've got a range of different colors here. So I'm going to choose red, click OK, and apply any islands, no. So that will allow me to add color. Now if I do the same for the bottom one, it says not a closed boundary, so I'm having an issue here and it highlights in pink, close to where the issue may be. You can clearly see that there's a gap there. So it says not a closed boundary. Now you've got two options. You can either click on that line and extend it across so that the two lines overlap, or you can use your attach tool and your line tool to connect the two, like that. Okay, so for that one, I'm actually just going to overlap this. It'll just look a bit more natural. I can delete the overlapping lines, and now if I go to add color, any islands, no, it allows me to add color. Now I'm just going to show you, if you've got a line intersecting your area there, and I go to add color, it won't allow you to add color. It says not a closed boundary, and again it highlights in pink where the issue may be. So what you need to do, if you want a line inside your area that you want to color, best thing to do is perhaps draw it after you color it in. So for example, this one, I could just trim that, I could add color, and I could draw my line again over, so that it's over the red. Okay, the next tutorial I'll show you how to apply color to your snowman.